In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project for time tracking in Zoho Books. A full 2025 guide will walk through each step so you can follow along easily, ensuring you set up your projects for efficient time and cost management. First, you'll want to go to the Zoho Books website. If you haven't logged in yet, now would be the time to do so. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, find the link that says Access Zoho Books and click on it. This will lead you to the main dashboard where you'll manage your financial activities. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see several options. Look for time tracking and click on it. This section is specially designed to help you track the time spent on different projects, giving you a comprehensive view of your operations. From there, move forward by clicking on Projects. This area will present you with a list of projects you have already initiated and managed through Zoho Books. To start a new project, click on the Create New Project button. This is where you begin tailoring a project for specific client needs. Enter the project name in the provided field. Choose a name that's clear and descriptive, making it easier for you and your team to identify the project later. Next, select a customer for the project. Click the Select Customer button and choose from the list of current clients or add a new one if necessary. Select XYZ company or whichever client is applicable to you. Ensure you have chosen the right company, as this aligns your project decisions with your client's requirements. Now it's time to set up the billing details. Click on Billing Method to decide how you will be charging your client. For this tutorial, you'll choose the Fixed Cost for Project option. Enter the project cost when prompted. It's important to set a cost that reflects both your efforts and your agreed terms with the client. Following that, input the cost budget in the designated cost budget field. This helps in keeping track of your expenditures against the project's financial ceiling. Similarly, enter the revenue budget, which is essentially the total income you expect from the project. Having clear financial expectations plays a key role in managing successful projects. Finally, once all the necessary details are filled in, click Save to make sure everything is properly documented in Zoho Books. By saving, you secure all the hard work you've done in setting up this project, allowing you to steer future endeavors seamlessly. And there you have it. You have now completed creating a project for time tracking in Zoho Books. Following these steps not only streamlines your workflow, but also ensures accuracy in billing and time management. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in next time for more helpful tips on using Zoho Books to its full potential.